Welcome to the definitive 10-minute masterclass on the AI infrastructure shift. We are moving from the manual grind to the meaning economy. This session isn't about incremental gains, it's about architecting an unchurnable business model that clients cannot remove. We're moving from being an external consulting cost to becoming the nervous system, the critical plumbing of our client's stack. The market opportunity is valued at $1.5 billion. Notice the shift in the system status dashboard, from manual checklists to infrastructure plumbing. Traditional models are low throughput and stalled. We are architecting the governance layer of the future for real-time delivery. By becoming the nervous system, you aren't just a vendor, you are the essential communication and control layer for the entire organization. Step 1. Deprecating legacy mindsets. This is the hardest part. You must stop performing tasks and start sustaining life cycles. Manual audit checklists are human-dependent and vulnerable to churn. They are a relic of the guru trap, a model that cannot scale. The daemon process is your first human moat. It's embedded in the SDLC, providing always-on availability as an essential utility. This shift is about agency. You are moving from the paradox of attention, where you do the work, to the truth engine, where the system does it for you. The transition is absolute. You are moving from a task-based economy to a lifecycle-based utility model. This is where unchurnable stability begins. Our business architecture follows a 5-step path to stability. We move from the kernel, the mindset, up to the user interface. Layer 1 is the mindset. This is the foundation where you establish your daemon process as the core of the client's operations. Layer 2 is the network. Using the hub-and-spoke governance model, you establish a central oversight point that connects all departments. Layer 3 is the API. This is where you monetize throughput. As the client's AI usage grows, your business scales automatically. Layer 4 is security. This is the gold stamp, your final human failsafe that guarantees digital integrity in an automated world. Layer 5 is the user. Through certification and training, you embed yourself into the client's cultural fabric, creating structural lock-in. We embed the daemon into the release cycle. Stop providing retroactive audits. Start providing real-time, essential governance. Your daemon process sits at the heart of the release cycle. It is a background process that is essential to every stage of development. As a gatekeeper node, you are the technical plumbing where code cannot ship without validation. This is how you avoid legal costs and fines. This is Article 52 transparency in action. You are providing the digital integrity certification that modern regulators demand. Step 2. Establishing the anchor hub. To grow a one-person business to $1 million, you must move up the skill hierarchy from doing to architecting. You must establish a foundational hub within the client's core compliance team. This anchor contract secures your position on the vendor list. The anchor contract typically ranges from £250,000 to £500,000 in year 1. This is your beachhead into the organization. By becoming the foundational hub, you aren't just a consultant, you are a permanent part of the core compliance infrastructure. Once the hub is secure, we deploy specialized spokes, HR for bias testing, defense for protocols, and finance for risk auditing. Each spoke adds around $75,000 per department. You are increasing revenue without the high customer acquisition costs of finding new clients. This is horizontal scaling. You are mining the depth of a single client, becoming more essential with every new department you touch. For global scale, we deploy sovereign nodes to handle 2026 data residency laws. This solves the fragmentation problem for global clients. These nodes manage local compliance while feeding critical oversight data back to the central hub. It's a localized solution for a global challenge. Each region adds another $150,000 to the ARR. You are monetizing regulatory complexity on a global scale. Step 3 is where the business truly scales, the consumption API. We move from flat fees to high-margin credit systems. Routine monitoring earns 1 credit per check. Frontier stress tests earn 5 credits. Your revenue grows automatically as the client's throughput increases. Consider the math. 2,000 audits at $250 per credit equals $500,000 in annual revenue, driven by technical necessity. As the client's AI usage grows, your business scales passively. You've successfully decoupled your time from your income. Step 4 is the gold stamp assurance. Automation is essential, but for high-stakes 2026 decision-making, it is insufficient. You position yourself as the final fail-safe. By monetizing risk assurance rather than just data processing, you become a critical human moat. As an authorized architect, your digital signature provides the human expert review that modern AI governance requires. This is one of the 4 acts of meaning. You are providing the trust and value that pure automation can never replicate. Let's look at the unit economics. This is the blueprint for architecting a single client to over 1.2 million in ARR. The model begins with the compliance hub at $250K. Each department spoke adds another $225K in total value. When you add $500K in consumption credits and $250K for the gold stamp, you exceed $1.2 million in annual recurring revenue. This is how you build a robust infrastructure utility. You've transformed from a vendor into an essential piece of client architecture. Finally, step 5, building the human moat. True structural lock-in comes from cultural entrenchment within your client's ecosystem. By certifying the client's own staff as AI architects, you create an internal talent pipeline that is loyal to your methodology. These architects become your internal advocates. They demand your tools because your tools make their jobs easier and more secure. This creates structural lock-in. Your removal becomes almost impossible because you've become the standard operating procedure for the entire firm. This is the culmination of the 5 human moats. You are building a business that is not just technically superior but culturally essential. The model is complete. Technical necessity meets commercial scalability. You have transformed governance into the essential plumbing of the future. Notice how technology, revenue, and human capital are perfectly integrated. This is the harmony required for a 7-figure one-person business. You've turned a consulting practice into a robust infrastructure utility. This is the future of professional services in the age of AI. We are moving into the meaning economy. In this new era, pure data processing is a commodity. Meaning is the new moat. The paradox of attention means that the more data we have, the less we understand. Your infrastructure provides the clarity, the truth engine. Your business is a truth engine. You provide the real-time, validated insight that allows your clients to move with speed and certainty. The choice is yours. Will you continue providing retroactive audits, or will you execute the Tiger pivot? Don't just audit the code, be the code. Secure your place in the 1.5 billion infrastructure shift today. Visit theintegritygroup.com to explore the AI Architect certification and start your journey to an unchurnable business. Comment Tiger below for a bespoke demo link. Let us show you exactly how this infrastructure will transform your firm. This masterclass is part of the Architecture Blueprint Series, Volume 1, produced by Ash Masoha and the Tiger team. The methodology, the hub and spoke governance model, is designed for the modern technical entrepreneur. Stay ahead of the shift, architect the future. We'll see you in the next deep dive. Wait, there's one more thing. The skill hierarchy. Most consultants stay at the doing level. That's a trap. When you are doing, your income is capped by your hours. You are trading your life for a paycheck. That's not a moat. The architect identity is different. You aren't doing the work. You are designing the system that does the work. This is layer 1 mindset. One of your key services is Shadow AI Discovery. You find the rogue AI models that your clients don't even know they have. Then, you apply runtime enforcement. These are active guardrails that stop regulatory liability in real time. This is why you are essential. Your safety laboratory uses the AI SEI Inspect framework. You are testing for safety and compliance before the AI even hits production. This leads back to the Digital Integrity Certification. You are the stamp of approval that allows the business to innovate safely. Don't fall into the guru trap. If you are the only one who knows how to do it, you are the bottleneck. Build the infrastructure instead. Your infrastructure is the structural moat. It's a bridge that the client has to cross every day. That's how you ensure ARR for life. The world is moving fast. The shift is already here. Be the architect, be the code. I'll see you inside. One last time, visit theintegritygroup.com for your free interactive AI audit. Start your pivot today. Our interactive AI audit will show you exactly where your firm stands. Don't wait for the fines to hit. Get ahead of the shift. The Tiger Playbook, Architect the Shift 2024, all rights reserved. Join the meaning economy today.